Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to register for Interac Autodeposit on BMO. We will also put a link in the description below. To start, open the website. Then sign in with your card number or username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a section for quick links. Under quick links is an option for Interac e-transfer. Click on Interac e-transfer. Under Interac e-transfer, you will see several tabs. Click on the tab that says Manage Autodeposit. Now to start, click on the button that says Add Email. Here, enter the email address you wish to register. Also, select an account you want the money to be automatically deposited into. Then click on the Register button. Lastly, you will receive an email from Interac, containing a link to verify the email address you registered. Once verified, all e-transfers sent to your email will be automatically deposited. That's how you register for Interac Autodeposit on BMO. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.